We'll guide you through how to add a ticket to Apple Wallet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really convenient to go and have tickets added to your Apple Wallet because you can then go and open up the wallet and go and have them there, or you can go and double tap on the side and get it open here as well. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may miss an important part of this. So to get started, you need to go and find the confirmation or the ticket email in your email inbox, or alternatively, the place the tickets are for may go and have an app, and you can open that up and often go to tickets and you can find the option there. So for example, if I go and open up my Gmail here, I can go and see your tickets here and I can go and scroll down. I found this email and we have the option for add to Apple Wallet. Alternatively, I have a flight here. So I've got the flight app, the provider, which is Jet2. I can go and find the booking and tap there, find the tickets or passes here and tap there, press C, and I can see the option for add there. So check your email inbox and scroll down, or you can go and check the app or even their website sometimes. So I can go and press add to Apple Wallet in the bottom left, and I'm going to press add all like so. If you've just got one, you can do that as well. Review them if you want, and then you can press add all, and they've now been added. So now when I go and double tap like this, I can come down and I can go and see the passes here. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.